Now, Brussels sprouts are one of those vegetables most people either like or hate. But in today's recipe, I'm going to show you a great way to cook Brussels sprouts that hopefully convert some people into Brussels sprouts lovers. Kia ora and welcome to Sweetest Cooking. Anke here. And if you enjoy this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my cooking channel. But now, without further ado, let's get cooking. Now I dished up my beautiful Brussels sprouts with some German filled meatloaf and some mashed potatoes. I hope you can see it. And of course I have to give it a try. To no surprise, it tastes really beautiful. There's a slight taste of the chili flakes, which is optional of course, and a little bit of garlic on the side. And my cat just wants to have a little bit too. So yeah, definitely worth a try. I hope you enjoyed this video and will try this recipe for yourself and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my cooking channel, now is a good time to do so. And if you would like to know how to make this beautiful German meatloaf, then you need to watch my next video. So I hope to see you there. Until then, sweetest cooking everyone.